Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0xa00f429f Windows cannot start your camera, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what has worked for so many users, and I suggest sticking to this. There is a PowerShell command. Okay, I have shared it in the description section of the video. I'll mention it here. Simply open PowerShell and then click on run as administrator in the right pane and then paste it here, hit enter, and then it will uninstall camera from your system. Open the Microsoft Store and wait for it to load, and then search for camera in the search bar. It will need a while. Go to Windows Camera app, okay, the one by Microsoft Corporation. Click on get and done. This will solve your problem. This is all you need to do. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.